Alright, so first you want to go to the effects panel up here. Now go to the effects window. Now go to the effects, go to video, transitions, dissolve, and hit cross dissolve. Now take the cross dissolve, left click on it, and drag it, and place it right there at the very start. So now it might take a couple tries on the first time, so now it fades in from black. Now, if you want to make it longer or shorter, bring your mouse just to around the starting point, and you'll see that weird logo thing. Left click, and then you can change it to be short. Left click and drag, short, or it can be long. So we kind of just want it nice and short. So that's the start. Now, to go to the end, we can also use cross dissolve, but the better one is dip to black. So take the dip to black, left click, drag it, and drop it at the very end. Now, you can use the same thing if you want it longer. Left click, drag it out. So now it looks something like this. And there you go.